Hi there, my name's Craig and this is my home hob. This week we're cooking a curry, a Chicken Dopiaza. All the ingredients can be found in the description, so let's crack on with the cooking. First we're going to preheat 2 tablespoons of oil in a wok or a deep pan. And we're going to lightly fry off 2 chopped onions. We're also going to add 1 tablespoon of minced ginger. To this we're going to add 6 chopped cloves of garlic and 1 chopped chilli, red or green, it doesn't matter, 3 cardamom pods and half a cinnamon stick, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds. And we want to fry the onions until they're brown, not burnt, just very dark brown. And now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of tomato puree and just cook this off for 1 or 2 minutes just to take away the rawness. And now it's time to add 1.5 teaspoons of red chilli powder, 1.5 teaspoons of cumin powder and 1.5 teaspoons of coriander powder. And again we just want to fry this off for 1 to 2 minutes. Now it's time to add our chicken. This is 4 chicken breasts just chopped up, and we're going to fry this lightly for around 4 to 5 minutes. And now it's time to add the 2 remaining onions to the pan. And just give everything a good coat in the mixture. And now we're going to add 2 cups of water. Give it a good mix, and we're going to simmer this now for around 15 to 20 minutes or until the sauce is thickened up. Once the sauce is thickened, check for seasoning, add some salt if required, and then it's ready to serve. And here you have my Chicken Dopiaza. I'm serving mine with basmati rice. This dish will serve 3 to 4 people. I'm just going to finely garnish this with some chopped coriander. Enjoy! I hope you like what you've seen today. If you have, please remember to like and subscribe to the channel. My name's Craig, this has been my home hob, and thank you for watching. Goodbye.